Yes, dear students, today's our topic is exercise guidelines at the different stage of growth and development. So, first we are taking infancy. Okay, same here we divide in five parts. Exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. Okay, so first stage is infancy. Infancy is related to age group of 1 to 2 years. Okay, age group of 1 to 2 years. And what are the main guidelines for the exercise? So first point is exercise to develop head control, sitting, carving should be engaged in this stage. Head development and sitting exercise, okay, should be engaged. Second one is include in some exercise such as moving arms, legs, and reaching to various objects. Point number 3 is provide objects, toys, and game that engage to move to things for themselves. And point number 4 is exercise like throwing, catching, kicking a ball may be most suitable exercise during the stage of infancy. So most point is in this age we have to include gross motor development exercise. In infancy age 1 to 2 years we have to include gross motor development exercise. Okay, second stage is early childhood. Okay, age group of 3 to 7 years. Clear? So point number 1 is developing competition competence in moving skills like throwing, catching, jumping, or kicking a ball. Same emphasis should be laid down or participation, not on a competition. It is clear? Means we will provide exercise or we will engage exercise like a participation, not like a competition. Number 3 is activities are related to the fine motor skills like coordination ability should be emphasized. Means early childhood we have to engage fine motor development exercises. And last is stretcher and well and unstretched physical activity should be also be performed daily at least 6 minutes by children during this stage of growth. So it is clear, early childhood age group of 3 to 7 years we have to engage more fine motor development exercise. Clear? Now slide number 3, later childhood. It is age group of 8 to 12 years. Okay, in this we will check point number 1 is children should be included in activities such as stunt, throwing, jumping, catching, running, so and so. Okay, so they can acquire body control, strength, and coordination. So it is very important point. Okay, in this age group body control, strength, and coordination we have to engage these exercises. Endurance related activities should be avoided in this age group. Later childhood we have to avoid endurance activities like long running. Okay, next point is children should be included to competitive sports and taught the basic rule of the sports competition like enjoying the games, fair play, simple strategy, tactics, some skills. Okay, so simple rules of games, basic rules of games. Okay, and last point is introducts the exercise that build endurance, strength, coordination, and ability. So in this later childhood age group of 8 to 12 years we have to engage team games. Okay, we have to organize team games, and aim is team games to develop fair play, enjoy the game, and simple strategy and tactics. These are the simple strategy in later childhood stage. Next we can check adolescence age group 13 to 19 years. In this stage moderate to various intensity exercise physical activity is recommended for at least 60 minutes or up to several hours every day. You can include at least 60 minutes or more than 60 minutes. and different exercise like intensity or physical activities. Clear? Next point is include in muscle strengthening exercise at the least 3 days per week. Muscle strengthening exercise, you can do gym, you can do core exercise, you can do strengthening exercise. Next is reduce sedentary lifestyle. Okay, and last point is exercise such as running, gymnastics, push-ups, jumping ropes, playing hockey, basketball, swimming, tennis, and resistance exercise should be included. So it is, these all are related to CrossFit exercises and team exercises. Okay, and in this age group you can perform gym also, adolescents age group 13 to 19 years. And last is, it is called adult or adult age group of 19 adult. Okay, so main point of this age group. So exercise guidelines at adult adult stage of growth and development. So point number 1 is adult required such exercise or activity that help to increase their muscles and bone and strength. Second is they should be perform resistance exercise at least 2 days a week to tone their muscles and bones. Point number 3 is for bone strengthening, they should include running, jumping ropes, weight training exercises. Okay, in this adult age group, we can use weight training exercises. Okay, and last point is bone strength exercise produce an impact of tension force of the bones that promote bone growth and strength. So in this age group, we have to develop muscle and bone growth. So we have to include more strengthening and weight training exercise in adult. It is the age group of 19 plus. So these are the strategy or guidelines at the different stage of growth and development.